Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing my oh my gosh, I just scratched my face right now. In today's video I'll be doing my first impressions. Again, another demo of like another product, another powder contour face powder duo. So this time is the Wayne Goss, the Radiance Boosting Face Palette. So as always guys, if you like to watch makeup reviews, first impressions of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Make sure that you click the like button guys, because that will also help me a lot with my videos. So let's go get started. Yes, I want to hear your opinions about my lighting right now, because my previous videos, the lighting, I feel like the lighting was just way too bright. So I hope this one doesn't wash me out, doesn't look like ghostly white, because I dim it a little bit more. So I hope that I don't look like a ghost right now. So moving on with this new product from Wayne Goss, and so I am wearing the Wayne Goss Topaz, the Luxury Eye Palette Imperial Topaz on my eyes today. Also the liner, lip pencil, lip gloss, and the liner on my eyes, because I did my first impressions maybe 2 months ago of the products I'm wearing right now, except for the new Radiance Boosting Powder. So he released 3 shades, same concept as the Patrick face duo. So this is the package unique carton. By the way, if you're familiar with the products from Wayne Goss, this is the unique carton. This one is made in the USA and it's good for 2 years. Let me show you guys. And then I got this shade. Oh, okay. It was gonna yellow a little bit. Okay, so I got the shade medium. So released 3 shades: light, medium, and deep. So same as the Patrick face duos. So let me read about this one, guys. So this one retails for $45, a little bit more than the Patrick. So this has like the total weight is 16.2 grams or 0.57 ounces. So you can only buy Wayne Goss's products on Beautylish website. So it says sun-kissed capsule skin made easy. The Radiance Boosting Face Palette by Wayne Goss, a contour and bronzer powder duo that gives you everything you need to shape, sculpt, and boost your skin's youthful radiance with a natural, healthy looking finish. So it has light gold, satin bronze, which I have, which is medium tan with neutral undertones, and medium taupe with cool undertones. I'm gonna do the same thing what I did with the Patrick. I use the contour shade. So the contour shade from Patrick is the cream. So this one, it's a powder. Oh, this is not the this is the eyeshadow palette. Okay. So this is the palette, the Radiance Boosting Palette, and this is the mirror right here, guys. So this is the contour powder. So this is not a cream, and this is the bronzer. You can see guys, the like shimmers, like fine glitters. I don't know if you can see in the camera. See the neutral shade. So very different. I mean, similar concept to the Patrick, but this one is the contour part is a powder, but the Patrick is a cream contour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use something similar to the Patrick. So this is the Milani Cosmetics brush. So I'm gonna show you guys the Patrick brush that I used last time. I haven't washed it. So as you can see, very kind of similar. You can see guys, not the same but similar, like it gives you like very defined application. So I'm gonna use this one. So this came from a set that I bought last year. So I'm gonna use this contour shade like I did last time. Also this, you see guys, it's very powdery. So I'm just gonna contour my face with this. So as you can see guys, so this is like the second application of this bronzer, now contour shade. So this is has a very similar undertone to the Patricia. So this is like a powder Patricia ice cream, like I mentioned a few minutes ago. And as you can see, guys, it's a little darker, I think, but not doesn't look muddy at all. So I'm just gonna keep blending this up. Oh, this is actually really nice. So it's a little bit darker. And there you go, guys. So this is nice. This is a little, oh, she's a little bit dramatic than the Patricia Queen. Oh, wow. Okay, not bad at all, not bad. Next on my forehead. And my face. Ooh, definitely emphasize like my cheekbones a little bit more, as you can see, guys. So the contour shades a little bit darker and a bit more dramatic than the Patricia Cream contour shade. So this is a powder from Wayne Goss. I keep repeating myself, just letting you know, guys. And there you go. Ooh, I like this. I like this. Use the bronzer. As you can see, guys, the bronzer, I don't know if you can see it, the camera, a little bit shimmers on it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this bronzer. Oh, with this not gonna apply blush. So I'm just gonna use this one as my blush bronzer, this shimmering shade, the Bronze Glow, and I'm just gonna apply it directly to my face. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Sorry about that, guys. So, okay, so I did not notice I blocked the camera with this. So I'm gonna apply it again. And there you go, guys. I don't know if you noticed the radiant finish of this Bronze Glow. Oh my god. And then I'm gonna add here. So this color is a little bit more darker than the new bronzers that I bought. A little bit darker than the Casa's Baked Bronzer in the shade Light. Okay, because this is shade medium, of course. And I don't know if you can see, guys. There. Oh, she's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna apply a little here on my forehead again. And here. It was still very easy to blend on the face. I did not notice like muddiness going on. I mean, it wasn't no muddy at all. I'm very happy with the color of this one. I thought the color would be too dark for me, but I was wrong. I really like the contour palette. So the bronzing part, or the Bronze Glow, gave me very like a radiant finish on my face. The only part of my face that I applied highlighters around here, my nose bridge, because I wanted my nose bridge to be a little bit more, is it have a little bit more definition. And there you go. I also applied the Bronze Glow on my forehead. As you can see, guys, I am impressed. I am impressed. Also applied it right here and here, my chin and side of my nose to contour my nose. Overall, very happy, guys. Very finely milled powders. Even the Bronze Glow, this one you can apply this like on top of your bronzer if you want to like a glowy or like radiant finish on your cheeks. You can also add this one on top of your bronzer, and I feel like you can also add this in your matte blush if you want a little bit more radiant to it. So overall, I'm very impressed with this one. This is different, guys, because the Patricia doesn't have like Bronze Glow. It's a matte bronzing powder. This one has a little bit of glow. You can see the like very fine shimmer particles in here. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, I don't think you can see in the camera. And even the contour shades, very finely milled, very creamy, like almost like creamy to cream to powder formula, same as the Dior what's that bronzer that I did my first impressions 2 days, maybe 3 days ago, 3 days ago. So the powders, they feel really nice, like finely milled, very creamy. This one, it was just a tiny bit like powdery, just tiny bit, but I mean, I don't really care, guys, as long as it looks really nice on my face. Look, muddy at all. So overall, very impressed, guys, very impressed. So also, yeah, I'm very impressed with this one. So I highly recommend this product. But do you really need it? I mean, we all know that we don't really need all new makeup products out there. But if you're a makeup lover, myself, you like, Wayne Goss's products. If you like Wayne Goss, I like Wayne Goss. I've been watching him for years now. So I definitely, guys, I'm really very happy. I definitely highly recommend this one if you want a radiant glow on your face. And this is very unique, guys, very unique. I hope this video helped me to know. This is very unique. Usually like bronzer, highlighter duo, blush, highlighter, blush, buzzing duo. So this is a really great, very rare type of product, like bronzing glow powder with a contour powder. Very unique. So let me know, guys, if you tried anything from Wayne Goss, what products that you like from Wayne Goss, because I'm very impressed with this. So let me know, guys. I want to hear your thoughts about Wayne Goss's new products, or his products just in general. So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.